Hello everyone, welcome to Groupboss version 4 tutorial video. Our Facebook lead generation tool lets you collect unlimited leads from your Facebook groups. In this video, you're going to see a complete walkthrough of the latest version of Groupboss. Once you sign up for Groupboss, go to the Google Chrome Web Store and find Groupboss there. You can directly go to the Chrome Web Store from our homepage by clicking here. Then you'll find the Add button. Just add it to your browser. Since we have already added it, it's not showing the Add button. Then let's pin the Groupboss web extension to your browser. Click on the pin icon. Now let's log into your Groupboss account. So we have signed into the Groupboss Chrome extension. If you are completely new to Groupboss, then you will see this Getting Started guide. Go through the guide. Now go to your Facebook and tap on Group Settings option. Visit the Groupboss extension. You will see Add this group button. Click on this button and your group will be added to Groupboss. Follow this exact process for adding subsequent groups. Then you'll be able to configure your Google Sheet and other email autoresponders. Now let's show you the whole process in detail. In this update, we have brought some changes to our Chrome extension, and you can see it. If you have seen our previous Getting Started video, then you'll see some differences here compared to the previous version. Let's show you what you need to do next. So your group is added here, and now you can start collecting leads from your Facebook group. Let's go to the member request page, and you can see the buttons have been changed to Approved by Groupboss button. Once you start collecting your leads by clicking this button, the leads will be collected to the Groupboss dashboard. However, you can also collect these in your Google Sheet or email autoresponder. All you have to do is go to the Chrome extension again and hit the settings options. You'll be able to see the Google Sheet configuration. Here in this dialog box, you have to insert your editable Google Sheet link. Let's try one. Go to your editable Google Sheet and tap the Share option. Turn it into anyone with the link category, also from Viewer to Editor. Now copy the link and paste it on Groupboss Chrome extension. Before you do, you see here in the header row, there is nothing. But when you configure the Google Sheet link, the headings will be updated automatically. So let's get back to the Groupboss Chrome extension, put the Google Sheet URL in here, and click Connect. Great! As you can see, the Google Sheet headers have been updated, and the lead generation will be done under these headings. If you are new here, you'll see authorization pop up. Just allow Groupboss there, and you're good to go. Now let's try the autoresponder feature. Here you'll find almost 30+ email autoresponder integration scopes with Groupboss. Just click on the autoresponder dropdown and you will find the whole list. In here, you can configure multiple integrations for a single group. For example, we have this group named Facebook Group Growth, and we can integrate almost all the email marketing autoresponders. However, generally the users only use their desired ones. Maybe one or two autoresponders. Let's try one. One of the popular autoresponders is MailerLite. So just select MailerLite and click Add. To configure it, you need certain things like API key and group ID, as you can see. So let's go to our MailerLite account and find these. So this is our MailerLite account's homepage. From here, see the left side toolbar and find Integrations. Click on that and you will find API option. Create an API and paste it into the extension. Now let's find the group ID. Scroll down below and you will find Group ID. If you don't have one, then create one. Copy the group ID and paste that into the extension. Hit the Save button. The integration is successfully done. We have guides on these integration steps in our help portal. We will put the link in the description. If you find your desired autoresponder, then you can configure it following our guides. And if you can't find it, don't worry. Go to our feature request page and put your suggestion there. We'll be adding your suggested integration based on priority. Now, as we told you earlier, you can have multiple integrations for the same group. Let's try another autoresponder integration. We are selecting MailChimp integration. So here you can see we need the API key, username, audience ID, and tag name. Let's fill in all the required fields from our MailChimp account and click Save. So the integration is done. As you can see, all the currently active integrated autoresponders are here. Also, you can change the integration by clicking the pen icon. For example, if you want to change the tag name, change it here. You can also delete. Just hit the delete icon here. Another exciting feature we have in this update is auto approval. With this, you don't have to accept members manually anymore, since it's a time-consuming task. We always suggest our users manually automate their group members or accept them one by one with the Approval by Groupboss button. However, if you want to save time and have certain reasons to finish quickly, then try this auto approval button. If you get your cursor above this I button, you'll see the detailed instructions. Here you can set the auto approval time. Minimum time should be 5 minutes. If you want to activate auto approval for the second group, that should be more than 5 minutes, like 6 or 7 minutes. Then you can see the automatic decline option. Also the other options, like if the member has answered all the questions, if the email has been provided, and if they have agreed to the group rules. So if you tick all of these, then the requested member will be accepted based on these criteria. Otherwise, he or she will be automatically declined if any one of the tick requirements is not met. Here you have the flexibility to maintain this. You can have one or none of the requirements to automate the data. Whatever you do, you have to switch on the auto approval button first and click Save. Eventually, the automation will start, and the group members' data will be automatically collected in your activated autoresponders and Google Sheet. So this was all about the new features of Groupboss version 4. Now let's demonstrate the lead collection process with the new version, as we have already shown you the working procedure for setting up Google Spreadsheet and the autoresponder. Let's collect the members' data. From your Facebook group homepage, go to the Member Request section. If the Approved by Groupboss button is not available yet, just refresh the page. You can see that the Approved by Groupboss button has appeared. Also, the Approve All by Groupboss button is available at the top. You can see there is the flexibility to sort out the request based on several criteria and either accept it or decline it. Don't get stressed if the button doesn't appear right away. Sometimes it takes time to load due to network connection or any other issue. However, eventually the Approved by Groupboss button appears. You can see the Google Sheet headers have also been changed. So we're done with all the setup. Let's approve an individual who has answered all the questions and check the Google spreadsheet. Here it is. You can see the data has been loaded. Let's also check the email marketing autoresponder. Here we are on the MailerLite subscribers page. Refresh the page. You can see the data has also been loaded here. Remember that you can also find the lead data in the Groupboss dashboard. Select the Facebook group in the dialog box and filter it to Today. You can see that the person's data has been automated here. So this was all. And this is the whole procedure of collecting data with the new Groupboss version 4. Now, let's show you another new feature of Groupboss version 4. Data collection history. This feature is introduced for your convenience to keep track of the collected data from both the Google Sheet and the integrated autoresponders. Thanks to this feature, now you can see and monitor all the collected leads from a single dashboard of Groupboss. First, go to the Groupboss Chrome extension and tap View History. Here is the track data of your collected leads for the last 48 hours. Through this, you can know the status of the collected data, if the lead has been collected or not, or if there has been any error or not. Let's show you how this works by collecting a data. So this person has been approved by Groupboss, and the data has been collected in the Google Sheet. Now let's go back to your data history dashboard and refresh the page. You can see the data is retrieved here and the status is updated. If there was any issue or problem in collecting the leads, the status would have shown as the failed attempts. The benefit is that if there is any failed attempts, you can track it here and resend it to collect again. Overall, you don't have to lose any data. Now, if you click on the View button, here we will see the detailed data of the collected leads. You can see the back-end data and Google Sheet data status. Also find the group information and the lead information. For some reason, if the data is not collected in the Google Sheet, click on the Google Sheet URL and clear it. Now go back to your desired Google Sheet web page where you want to collect the data. Get the sheet URL and copy-paste into the box and hit the resend button. See, the data has been resend. One thing remaining, the Approve All by Groupboss button. If you use this button to collect all the group members' details, then make sure you see the Approve All by Groupboss button first, then wait until the Confirm by Groupboss button appears. It takes some time to appear. If you hit before that, your data won't be stored. So wait for a few moments, let the button appear, then hit it. And eventually the data will be collected in the spreadsheet and other integrated autoresponders. Reminder, if you ever use our new feature, Automatic Approval, make sure to tick all the necessary requirements for your own good. And until you switch on the feature and save it, the automation will not take place. So that was all, the full walkthrough of the Groupboss version 4. If you have any issues, queries, or anything, you can reach us at support@groupboss.io or use the chat support available in our website at the bottom right corner. Click on it, click to start a chat button, provide your name and email address, and hit the submit button to start a new chat, and then go on to explain the problem you are facing. Our support team will help you with that within 24 hours. Thank you very much for your patience and for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share the video, and subscribe our channel.